Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to track your net worth on Credit Karma. So to track your net worth on Credit Karma, all you gotta do is follow these simple steps. And step one is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can do that on the official website, or you could do that on the mobile app if you have it. And then once you're logged into your account on either one of those, you just want to click on the net worth tab. Now once you click to the network tab, you want to connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and your investment accounts. You want to connect all of that together, and you can view your net worth and track changes over time once all of your accounts are linked up. And you can also get personalized recommendations on how to improve your net worth. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to track your net worth on Credit Karma. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.